Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is your trade of the day, and you know what? It's going to be Square. We talked about this on the early show, and what a great name this was. And the reason why it was on our radar, and there's a few names like this right now. There's DraftKings. I've been putting in the chat. Yeah, like look at this support level that we have for Square. I mean, is it going to be support? Who knows? But you got to take shots when you look at this. Square falling down, man. FinTech, PayPal, Upstart, PaySafe. A lot of these names just getting absolutely destroyed right now. Global Payments, and you could see all the way to the downside. So hey, you know what? We came in today. We had an up NASDAQ, so we were like, let's try to defend this 190 area, 188, something like that. These bottoms, right? So you got to give a name like Square a little bit of room to breathe, as we like to say on the show. But so we let it sort of open up, and then, you know, in the first candle or so, we get a tester here because it goes right into our 190. That's what we looked at, and boom, it worked. It was great. We actually got that in the pre-market. It was a small position, which allowed us to reload our position later on, and you're going to be able to see where we did that after you look at the chart. So you can see here, nice little move to the upside. We take about, I think it was about a buck early right there, get out around 191 and change off of a 190 fill. Then boom, comes right back down. This is the trade that I'm looking for. I'm looking to pick up stock after they bottom wick. Stocks I like long, we're trying to find these big wicks and then try to buy them. The same thing on the upside, like right there. This doesn't happen. I think this is a dark print, but if that's a real print there, or if this extends a little bit higher, those are the shorts that I like. So we pick it up here, and what a great pickup that was. Again, in front of 189. And then this is where it really gets exciting for me, because we have a 189 long, and then our next out is right back here where VWAP was at the time, 190.50. That's $1.50. So $1 plus $1.50, then it goes right back up, and we get it out at 192. That's a great spot for me. Then it's like, okay, you know, we're ready to rock and roll, and boom, comes right back up, and this is where we start to get out. 195.50. Look, it was some of the pre-market highs that we put in there. Very, very lucky to get those wicks. And then you can see here, look at all of these top wicks. Boom, boom, boom. Those are great short indicators, man. So we should have been short there, but we weren't. We're holding on just in case Square started to take off. But it was a little bit of a volatile session for the NASDAQ. So what does it do? It falls all the way back down, and then we get out on a 193 break. We're long 189 here. So to get out the rest of this at 193, we're pretty happy with that move. And you can see, good thing, it does go back up. So we're like, we missed that move. We're trading lots of names at this point. Then it comes crashing down. Now we're starting to like lick our chops a little bit, waiting to try to get this long. Comes back in, let it develop, let it develop. This is the mistake right here. So we try to take the long. After this, we miss this. Again, looking at a few things. Comes back in, 187.50. We're like, are you kidding me? We're going to now play this off of this bottom. So we take the 187.50 with the 186.50 in mind. We've already made dollars and dollars and dollars on this name. So it comes back in, there it is, cracks 186, and we get out. But again, there's some of these wicks. So we take the long again. We just feel like maybe this was a big candle to the downside, not too much volume. We buy it back, then we get out right there, 188, boom, right back up to VWAP, out at 190 or so again. So this was one more time, another $3 or $4 win. Look, we put one position and out, then we take two. That's how much we like it. We take it twice here, working off these bottoms. We just believe in the name. We thought that these were too low. You can see the chart there. The NASDAQ started bouncing, so we took the trade. You can check the charts, man. 11 o'clock or so, NASDAQ starts moving back up. We take it. We take, again, a quick, that's 186, out 188.50. That's $2. Boom to the upside. We get it out right near VWAP right there at 190 flat. Pretty happy with another $350 on that trade. Sure, it goes right back up, and right now we're struggling at about 190. Sometimes you got to take a little bit of risk. We do quite well here. We have one mistake right there. We lose the dollar, but as you can see, the loss of $1 made up by multiple dollars on the winner. So it's Square. It's a crazy one. Love trading this. We'll be back trading more of these names live, TraderTV.Live every single day.